Okay, I just wanted to take a minute and show you some fun things that you can do with stamps. Um, this is the stamp that I used for this design. So really, the stamps can be a guideline for a really interesting design. Okay, and then this stamp, I used 2 layers using this flower. Okay, and then this stamp is a larger stamp, and I like to do gradients of colors, the same family, and from a distance it really lends interesting effect. So I'm back with the stamps. This is the stamp that we use for our cowrie shell design, but I just put it here, and this is a doodle rug. So we just, I take the design and then take it from there. And this stamp was really a simple, beautiful design with just 2 colors. Here's a canvas rug that was made entirely with stamps, including the ferns that were painted and stamped. Here is the basket weave stamp. So as you can see, the stamps can be the beginning of a design concept or used on their own. This is the swirl design. Here is a river rock design that was made entirely with stamps. And here is another river rock design made entirely with stamps. So give us a visit at laurelsoriginals.com. There are a lot of blogs for canvas rug crafters to help you create your own canvas rugs, and the Laurel's Design email for a chance to win a canvas rug of your own.